Hello friends, this is NOBE4 here, and today I will show you how to install Hackbar. Before proceeding to SQL injection, we must know how to install an Hackbar. So I prefer Cyberfox browser to install the Hackbar. So first of all, download Cyberfox. So the website link is there. You can download it from here. I have provided this link in the description section. So let's proceed. So after installing this, let me open it. Now download link for Hackbar. We need two XPI files to install this Hackbar. I have provided these two Hackbar XPIs. So let us install it. You can install any one of them. Anyone you can install. There is no foundation. So let's start. So click. This is then some overview of the Cyberfox. So first go to top left corner and click on add-ons. Now click here. Now install add-on or from file. These are the two XPI files that you will install here. Then install add-on from file. Okay. Now just click it. Now where is your add-on file is located? New folder, then click on any of them. Suppose I want to use Fox XPI, then okay. Now it's done. Install. Okay, restart now. Let's restart this browser. And this Hackbar could be modified. So Hackbar is installed. Where is the Hackbar? Wow. This is the Hackbar. This is very good features like SQL basics, union select, union count, out files, and also it has lots of DIOs we can use during SQL injection. So we'll see it later on. And also it has lots of WAF bypass. I will give you separate WAF bypasses. So you don't need actually WAF bypass for order by union select concat. Okay, this is all for today. I hope you have loved this small video. So in the next part we will be starting the SQL injections. Thank you.